Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the VN project so edits are reliable. Install VN code and required extensions, then open the exact project folder. Once done, confirm media lives in /media and timeline files are present. This avoids missing clips later. Make sure to set workspace settings like autosave and preferred codec so rendering matches export targets. This prevents format mismatches. Do this now because a consistent environment saves time and reduces file conflicts. You assemble the core timeline by importing clips and placing them chronologically. Drag media maintaining original frame rate so motion stays correct. You avoid jitter that way. Once on the timeline, layer voice, music, and SFX on labeled tracks so audio mixing is easier later. Make sure to trim with ripple edits to preserve sync and apply primary color correction early. Doing color now keeps visual consistency and prevents rework. These detailed middle steps build a stable edit you can refine. You finalize by configuring export settings precisely. Choose resolution, bitrate, and a preset that matches delivery requirements, then run a short test export to verify. Once done, check audio levels, subtitle timing, and any keyframes so the final render won't require last-minute fixes. Make sure to render with a unique file name to avoid overwrites. If things go wrong, clear the cache, relink missing files, and reset preferences. This usually resolves corrupted previews and unexpected behavior, getting you back to a clean final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.